Jeremy Hogan leaked the 20th of March main day for XRP. XRP to $85,000. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, on Monday filed a letter to Justice of the Peace Sarah Ned Byrne of the Southern District of New York, arguing that the previous order makes internal SEC documents irrelevant to the case against Ripple. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. All assets are evaluated by the SEC based on 4 criteria to determine whether they qualify as securities. These criteria are as follows. An asset requires an investment of money or something else valuable to acquire. The asset is an ordinary enterprise. In other words, its price is the same for all its holders. The asset offers an expectation of profit. The expectation of profit comes from the management efforts of a third party. While the first 3 criteria apply to cryptocurrencies, the 4th complicates the situation. For example, ICO sales satisfy the 4th criterion because the project team promotes its roadmap and raises funds through ICO to start development. However, as a result, ICOs are considered securities and, therefore, illegal, since they are not registered with the SEC. In the case of Ripple, the SEC claims that the expectation of profit is due to the efforts of its executives. This argument corresponds to the 4th criterion that makes XRP a security. This also means that all XRP sales between 2013 and 2020 were conducted illegally. Since Ripple and its 2 executives were selling XRP, they became the subjects of a lawsuit. The SEC wants to get almost $2 billion from XRP sales. They also want to ban Ripple and its executives from selling XRP and participating in any token sales in the future. In addition to getting rid of the lawsuit and preserving their capital, Ripple executives are seeking to classify XRP as a currency or commodity so that it can be easily traded in the US. One of Ripple's arguments is related to the Ripple ecosystem, which includes almost 100 participants. Ripple argued that XRP was sufficiently decentralized, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, because its expected profits were influenced by the entire ecosystem, not just the marketing efforts of its 2 executives. Ripple's second argument pointed out that both the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, and the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, viewed XRP as a virtual currency, stating, "The functional characteristics of XRP and its long-standing usefulness as a substitute for fiat currency require that it be categorized as a currency, not a security." Quote, Ripple's third argument concerns the constitutional right to fair notification. Simply put, Ripple claimed that the SEC had enough time to warn Ripple about the alleged illegality of their XRP sales, but this did not happen. The Ripple v. SEC case over the past year has been an exciting journey. While both sides are presenting different petitions, the crux of the case has centered around the protection of fair notice. After Ripple's third argument, the Securities and Exchange Commission reacted to the strike. In other words, the SEC argued that Ripple was sufficiently notified based on numerous other cases that the SEC investigated against other cryptocurrency issuing companies. Yesterday, the SEC's strike motion was rejected by Judge Torres. His order stated, "The Securities and Exchange Commission does not claim that Ripple's affirmative defense is untimely, and the court should not conclude at this early stage of the case that this company's defense is invalid." Accordingly, the Securities and Exchange Commission's motion to deny Ripple fair protection has been rejected. In a lawsuit filed by the SEC against Ripple, the cryptocurrency company is accused of trading the XRP token as an unlicensed security asset. Ripple categorically rejects the claims and tries to prove in court that the XRP token is not an asset in the form of securities and, thus, is outside the jurisdiction of the SEC. One of the arguments presented by Ripple in court was that there was no fair notification that the financial regulator would consider XRP as a security. This proves that the company was not provided with proper legal procedures, and the team wanted to use the defense in court to win the case. However, in April, the SEC filed a motion to dismiss Ripple's defense of fair notice. On Friday, one of the decisions made by Judge Torres rejected the SEC's motion, thereby confirming the viability of Ripple's defense in court to fight the case. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse openly rejoiced at the decision, calling it a huge victory for Ripple on Twitter. However, the case has not yet moved from the stage of pleadings and, perhaps, can go in any direction. In addition, Garlinghouse did not take into account that the judge also rejected the petition filed by the leaders of Ripple. Both Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen filed a motion in April to dismiss the case against them for aiding and abetting the alleged sale of unregistered securities. According to the duo, this petition will close the case. However, the judge rejected the motion and ruled that the SEC is not required to prove that individual defendants knowingly violated securities laws. After this decision, Team Ripple moved on to compiling a report rejecting XRP's market performance. Another significant victory for Ripple came when the court ruled in their favor regarding SEC emails related to a speech by former SEC official William Hinman about Ethereum. Ripple's lawyers and team were able to convince the court that the emails are not confidential information because they reflect Hinman's personal point of view, despite the fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission tried to convince the court otherwise. There were suggestions that the case could be settled by November 18, 2022. Despite the fact that the case can still change in any direction, so far the proceedings have mostly been in Ripple's favor. The team was able to prove that they were trying to comply with the SEC years before the regulator paid attention to cryptocurrencies. Hinman's speech about whether Ether as a security was sought as part of a lawsuit. Estabrook's document contains records of a meeting in 2018 between former SEC Commissioner Elad Roisman and Garlinghouse. Ripple has requested documents to prove that its executives acted in accordance with U.S. regulatory requirements. #XRP community #SECGovV #Ripple #XRPSEC files a letter claiming that Judge Torres' decision on the motion to dismiss makes internal SEC documents, including Hinman's emails and Estabrook's notes, irrelevant and that the SEC should not disclose them. On March 14, the court ordered the parties to meet and determine what additional evidence, if any, is needed, and submit a joint letter by March 23, 2022, notifying the court. On Friday, Judge Torres issued 2 rulings on petitions filed in a lawsuit against Ripple Labs. Ripple argued that the Securities and Exchange Commission had not received fair notice that it would consider XRP as a security, thereby denying the company due process. Judge Torres rejected the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's motion to dismiss this defense and thereby confirmed that the defense in the lawsuit is viable. However, the judge also rejected a motion by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse and Executive Chairman Chris Larsen to dismiss the case against them for the alleged sale of unregistered securities. Magistrate Net Burns said she would not make a decision on any of the petitions until she received Ripple's response. The live XRP price today is $0.88 United States dollars with a 24-hour trading volume of $3,740,000,000 United States dollars. We update our XRP to USD price in real time. XRP is down 0.4% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.